Nature. 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 Noun. Definition: the phenomena of the physical world collectively, including plants, animals, the landscape, and other features and products of the earth, as opposed to humans or human creations. Example: the breathtaking beauty of nature. Noun. Definition: the basic or inherent features of something, especially when seen as characteristic of it. Example: helping them to realize the nature of their problems.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.